Hello everyone, my name is SL Akshata and I am first year B.Ed teacher trainee at KLE Society's College of Education, Ankola. Today I am excited to share a motivational message with you on the topic the art of failing forward. Let's begin. I want to talk about something we all experience but often fear failure. Most people see failure as a dead end, a sign to stop. But what if I told you that failure is not the opposite of success? It's part of it. Imagine this, you are a toddler taking your first steps. You wobble, you fall, you crash to the floor. But do you stop trying? No. You get back up and try again. And that's how you learn to walk. But somewhere along the way, we start believing that failure is bad, that mistakes mean we are not good enough. Failure is not the end, it's a stepping stone to success. Failure is not a period, it's a comma. It's just a pause before the next chapter. Many great people have faced failure before achieving greatness. Let's look at some inspiring examples of those who turned their setbacks into success. J.K. Rowling, rejected by multiple publishers before Harry Potter became a global success. Walt Disney, told he lacked imagination, later built the Disney empire. Michael Jordan, cut from his high school basketball team but became an NBA legend. Elon Musk, before Tesla and SpaceX, Musk's first company, Zip2, almost failed. His early rockets exploded, and investors doubted him. But instead of giving up, he kept pushing forward. Now, he is one of the most successful tycoons of our time. Think about Thomas Edison, the inventor of the light bulb. He failed over 1,000 times before he finally got it right. But when asked about it, he didn't say he failed 1,000 times. He said, I found 1,000 ways that didn't work. That's failing forward. Learning from mistakes and using them as fuel to have had. So, how do we fail forward? Change your perspective on failure. Failure isn't a sign that you are not good enough. It's proof that you are trying. Every mistake you make brings you closer to success. Every mistake is a hidden blueprint for success. When you fail, instead of asking why me, just ask what can I learn from this? Accept failure as a lesson, not a loss. Every mistake teaches you something valuable. Don't be afraid to try again. Each attempt brings you closer to success. And last one, surround yourself with the right people. The people around you can either lift you up or pull you down. Find those who encourage you to keep going. Even when things get through tough, surround yourself with mentors, friends, and role models who remind you that failure is just a part of success. If you fall 7 times, stand up 8. Keep trying, keep learning, and keep moving forward. Failure is not the end, it is a stepping stone to success. Every setback carries a lesson, and every mistake is an opportunity to grow. The most successful people in history were not those who never failed, but those who refused to give up. So, embrace failure, learn from it, and keep moving forward. Because in the end, the only true failure is the failure to try. Keep pushing, keep believing, and keep trying, failing forward. Because success isn't about never failing, it's about always getting back up. Thank you.